Lavoisier was a famous French chemist and one of the founders of modern chemistry. Lavoisier was to chemistry what Newton was to physics. In 1774, Lavoisier repeated Priestley's experiment, obtaining liquid mercury and an unknown gas when he heated oxidized mercury, which reignited flaming wooden slats. Also helps with breathing. He considered this gas to be an element and named the gas oxygen. Later, Lavoisier put forward an introduction to combustion and clarified the oxidation theory of combustion, including that at the time, air was mainly composed of two components. The added weight is exactly the weight of the oxygen consumed. Lavoisier proved through precise quantitative experiments that although a substance changes state in a series of chemical reactions, the total mass of the substances involved in the reaction is the same before and after the reaction, which is the law of mass conservation in chemical reactions. In 1789, with the assistance of his wife, Lavoisier published the basic treatise on chemistry. In this book, Lavoisier defined the concept of elements, formulated the naming principles of chemical substances, and established a new system of classification of chemical substances, which made the fragmented chemical knowledge at that time gradually clarified. In the experimental part of the book, Lavoisier emphasized the importance of quantitative analysis, using his own theory of oxidation theory and the law of conservation of mass. He successfully explained many experimental results systematically and satisfactorily. These works of Lavoisier, especially the new concepts, new theories, and new ideas he proposed, laid an important foundation for the development of modern chemistry, so later generations called Lavoisier the father of modern chemistry.